ourselves in the morning with yoga will surely help us in improving our blood flow in the body, which can be helpful in the feelings of awakeness, alertness, and calmness in the morning. Hello viewers, namaste, welcome back to my channel Yoga with Sajo. So today I have come with a 10-minute flow of morning yoga. So come practice with me this 10-minute morning yoga.
First, we'll start with sitting in a comfortable position. Exhale, and while inhaling, slowly lift both your hands upwards, stretching it totally upwards, relaxing your shoulders. Feel the stretch you are experiencing right now. Now exhale and hold your left knee with your right hand and try to hold your right thigh with your left hand. And try to stretch as much as you can backwards. Feel the stretch. Now inhale and again raise your hands upwards, stretching your body, relaxing your shoulders. Again exhale and hold your right knee with your left hand. Try to touch your left thigh with your right hand and stretch backwards. Controlling your breath, inhale and slowly raise your hands again upwards. Exhaling, slowly bring your hands down. Now further we'll go in a tabletop position. Relax your body here a little. We'll do a combination of Marjayasana and Bithilasana. Exhale and while inhaling, stretch your neck upwards. Bend your back and your waist downwards. Exhale and stretch your back upwards, bending your neck down. Continue this process. Inhale, stretch your neck upwards, bending your waist down. Exhaling, stretch your back upwards, bending your neck down. Just feel the stretch you are experiencing in your back. It's getting more and more flexible. We are getting rid of the stiffness we experience in the morning. Now exhaling, bend your neck down. Lift your back upwards. Inhale and slowly straighten your body. Now touch your toes on the ground and lift your knees a little. Then slowly touch your knees on the floor. And we'll do now extended child pose. Going to extended child pose. Your hips touch to your heels. Hands and forehead touch on the ground. Totally body is stretched. There is distance between our knees. Experience the calmness. Your breathing is normal. Now slowly stretch your neck towards the right, touching your left ear on the floor. Now stretch your neck towards your left, touching the right ear on the floor. Experience the stretches we are feeling. Stretch towards your right. Then slowly towards your left. As we are stretching our neck towards the right and towards the left, we are slowly releasing the stress on our neck, on our back. Now slowly touch your forehead on the ground. Again lift your body and come back in tabletop position. Relax your body a little again. Then inhale and lifting your knees, now we'll go in Adho Mukho Savasana, that is downward facing dog. Now stretch your one leg at a time. Jog a little, stretch your right leg, then left leg. Our legs are being stretched. Now inhale and slowly lift your left leg, stretching it as much as you can backwards. Feel the stretch. Then crunch a little, bring your knee close to your left hand. Now slowly place your left leg between both of the hands. Touching your right knee on the floor, we'll now go in warrior pose. Inhaling, lifting both the hands upwards, stretching our back and our neck a little backwards. Now exhale and slowly bring your hands on the floor. Now turn your right leg inward towards the left side. Straighten your body. Exhale and while inhaling, stretch your hands at the side, relaxing your body, keeping your back straight. Exhale and slowly touch your right hand onto the ground. Straightening your left leg, stretching your left hand. Experience the stretch. Relax your body. Now slowly touch your left hand on the floor. Step by step, again come back in the previous position. Now slowly straighten your left leg and try to touch your forehead on the knee. Again come back in the same position. Now slowly we'll go in the plank. Inhaling slowly again in downward facing dog. Again stretching up both the legs, jogging a little. Now slowly lift your right leg, stretching it backwards. Now crunch a little and bring your knee close to your right hand, placing the right hand between the legs. Inhaling, now slowly stretch your hands upwards, bending your back and neck backwards. Warrior pose. Left knee is on the ground. Exhaling, come back to the previous position. Now turn your left leg inward towards the right side. Straighten your body, stretching your hands in the shoulder level, keeping your back straight. Exhale and now touch your left hand on the floor. Stretch your right leg and the right hand. Your back is straight, neck is straight. Now slowly straighten your body. Then touching both the hands on the floor. Slowly come back to the previous position. Now slowly stretch your right knee. Touch your forehead onto the knee. Slowly come back to the previous position. Now again we'll go in the plank position. Feel the stretches onto our body and again on the tabletop position. Now sit in a comfortable position as you wish, placing your right palm on the left palm. Now here we'll chant Om. Inhale. So viewers, we'll meet in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Namaste.